Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to Skint Living UK. Welcome to Frugal Friday, where I try to discuss the viewers' comments and the videos that I've done during the week. I've got some good news for you today. Me finger splints are off. They're still a bit red, a bit sore, but they're healing well. So thank you for people asking about my hands. Yeah, they're on the mend. Thank you so much. It's been so kind. I just wanted to say thank you everybody for the comments about Patricia. People seem to approve and lots of giggles were had with me and my sarcastic tone. As you can see, I've got a Patricia hairdo today because I'm hot and my neck was all sweaty and I thought, right, pin my hair up. Yeah, so thank you for that. Maybe the less said the better. Okay, so I did a Sunday summary video last week and people liked my vintage tablecloth, the one with all the beautiful flowers on. I got a round table last week from eBay for £20, a pine one, because I'm going to build built-in benches in the kitchen in the corner. When I mentioned the round table, I got a message off Taffy Nye saying, "Oh, you're going to be like King Arthur." And I was like, oh God, yeah. So, yeah, thank you, Taffy Nige Webb, thank you for that. Yeah, while I'm talking of people, I just wanted to shout out to everybody who's been lovely, who've been supportive, who've made loads of lovely comments, and then when I had to come on over my channel, still not being monetised, it's just like this Herculean feat I need to sort of do. It's just gone on for so long. But anyway, I wanted a big shout out to June Lyon 3965. June, you've been marvellous this week. Thank you so much. She's been so supportive. Sue Green 940. Cash Stuff with Jazz. Grace Conroy, Jenny Conroy, Lynn Norman 2144, Mary Lynch, Kerry James 3214, Misfit 7610. Jan Johnson, oh, just lovely lady. Oh, Frank, I can say your name properly now. I thought his name was Spanish or Portuguese because it's spelled Machle. So I thought it was Machale or something like that. No, I'm an idiot. It's Macale. Oh my God, I can't believe I thought it was Spanish. So Frank, sorry I got your name wrong, but I know the name now, and thank you for all your lovely comments all week. Sabine and So and kids and grandkids 840, I just want to thank you so much. You're just lovely. I'm just really lucky. And a newish lady, might be a man, I don't know, I don't know the name. Crop Duster 8798 as well. I've just had some lovely new viewers. I'm really pleased. And all my old ones who've stuck with me through thick and thin and lots of moaning. I'm like a petulant child. I want my own way. So yeah, thank you for that. So yeah, talking of vintage tablecloth, because I'm going to have a table in the kitchen. My old dining table that was in the kitchen was a massive thing, and that's going to go in the living room eventually. And I like things, anything to do with the Egyptian stuff. Sorry, my nose is a bit itchy because I've got a little bit of hay fever. I ordered another vintage tablecloth. This one come with napkins. So my living room is going to be mostly white with a little bit of blue, and my tablecloth come, and I'm just like, it's a big rectangular one, so I can't really fold it out. So it's got all the lotus flowers as a border and a zigzaggy pattern. Love anything blue. And then it's got all these beautiful Egyptian pictures. I don't know if you can see. So like they're often like frescoes or carvings on the walls. I always show the pharaoh with horses. A lot of Tutankhamun stuff had that on as well, and all the lotus flowers and stuff like that. It's just, oh, I love it. But there's napkins as well, and Do you know, I'm tempted to make a couple. There's 6 napkins, so I'm tempted to make a couple of cushions. So that could be the backing for a couple of cushions as well. And those 2 cushions will go in the living room where the table and the tablecloth's going to be. I just love all this lotus flower stuff. Yeah. Don't really know what you think. It's unused, but I don't know if it's vintage or not. But I just, yeah, because it's Egyptian, it's just right up my street. Yeah, so yeah, you probably think, oh god, that woman's got this tablecloth thing. She's obsessed. But no, I need to get out more. I've been having a fridge or freezer week the last 3 weeks to make up for an overspend and to pay off my lucky bill, because it's sort of hung over me for months, because each month as I'm paying the bill, there's still an outstanding balance. I just want to get it out of my life now. Sabia's been doing the same. She's been having a fridge and cupboard week, and she says she hasn't spent a bean all week. Well done, Sabia. Good girl. This is what we want to hear. I mentioned last week about people getting out and about. I think we need to, don't we? The news is a bit mad. It's all this stuff with Iran and stuff is scary. Yeah, I'm doing my best to stay away from it. I know I can't help but see the headlines, but I think the headlines is enough, isn't it? So while the weather's lovely, get yourself out, get yourself in nature. I've been working on my kitchen, yay! To take a break from the bathroom tile and so sick of tiling. So I only do like a row or 2 a day because I can't, my hands are buggered, as you know. So I can only do a little bit of time, and I have to have the electric saw on because each end of each row, each tile needs cutting. So as I'm going up, I always need like 2 on each row that need cutting. So I've got to get so I've just left the towel cutter in the bathroom for now. It's made a right mess on the floor, but I'll clean her up at the end. But yeah, so I'm just like, and because the bathroom's tiny, it's just so hot. It's just like a hot box at the moment with the hot weather. So I'm like, loads to go in there. So everyone's been lovely about me clothes here, the one that you pull up and down. It's above me door in the kitchen. I just love it. I'm made up with it. So when I move house, I'm gonna have 2. Because I was talking to my neighbour about one the other month, and she was saying her one's in the hall, upstairs landing, because obviously heat rises, and she said things dry really quickly up there. So there you go, there's a top tip, put it in your hall. If I get another log burner, fingers crossed when I move, I'll have it above the log burner, because I just think in the winter and whatever, while you've got the heating on above the log burner, it can dry all your little knickknacks or your little tablecloths. Tea towels, cloths, whatever. So yeah, definitely the way to go. I got mine a bit at a time. So like 1 month I bought the wood slats, another month I bought the cast iron ends, another month I bought the little wheelie things. So because to buy the kits is just too much money. So I just sort of bought the bits as I went along. I even bought the string on eBay as well, the rope, because it was just too dear when I looked around in the shops. Yes, I was really pleased. Lots of people have said a new lady, Barbara Stark, LY3SG. She says she loves it, and she says it'll be economic in rainy times and looks cosy. Yeah, I love it. I absolutely love it. Kids and grandkids, hello, honey. You're always so nice to me. She's just so lovely. She says she likes me Art Deco lampshade. Yeah, it's proper 1930s one. The fitting is modern, but the glass frilly lampshade in the kitchen with the little blue edge, and that's, yeah, French Art Deco glass. And she says it reminds her of her auntie's kitchen because she loved everything in all shades of blue. Yeah, that's like me, blue everywhere. And she said her aunt's hubby built the kitchen out of wood like Formica. Oh, those old blue kitchens just look so stylish even now, don't they? I think they're lovely. I love Formica. I used to have a little Formica table, a red one with like silver edging, and they had one flap, and I used it for my sewing machine. But I didn't have the room here because my son's sort of ensconced in the living room at the moment, because upstairs everywhere's like I've not plastered off the walls and stuff, so it's like you can't sleep upstairs. Frank McHale, hello lovely Frank, now I know your name. He liked the idea of I put the hook in the ceiling so I could hang another light, plugged it into the normal socket so I could have it over the table because we've only got one central light in the kitchen. And he said that the clothes pulley will be a godsend. Yeah, I've used it loads already. Dead sad keep putting all my cloths and tea towels on it. So handy. And it's out the way because it's on the ceiling. Yeah, I'm going to get 2 or 3 in the other place when I move. I did a little video on my teeny tiny container garden on the front. She says she's like me, fill up every bit of space, and she doesn't mind the dandelions popping up. June Lyon says she likes the lavender, and Lovely Frank said a container garden are great for anyone who's got no garden space and grow some veggies in it as well. Yeah. Sabia said, oh, the petunias are doing really well, and she loves old houses like mine. She likes anything old, a bit like her. A bit like all of us, I think, honey. Jan Johnson said her cats patrol the garden, and her old cat sleeps in the long grass and the flowers in a wildlife garden at the front. Oh, honey, that sounds lovely. And she said you can make room for nature anyway. Yeah, my attitude is if you're determined to do it, you will. Yeah, because I've got plants all over the house and plants all outside the house. I just think, you know, we live in a concrete jungle. We need some greenery. I'd love to live one of those tree-lined avenues. We got beautiful trees all down the road. All I've got is pavements and cars, so I've got to green it up. I cooked a load of food all at once to save on the electricity, or as us Scousers and probably many Brits say, the lecky. Prices supposedly went down in April a bit, but I've not seen much of a difference. Have you? Let me know if you have, because I don't think I have. No, doing the same things, so it's like, where's my discounts? On Chippy Tuesday, I got some bargains. People seem to like my little daisy cushion that I got for £1. It's going to go on my imaginary kitchen bench because I haven't built it yet. I will do eventually. Don't know when, like, but I will. I've started buying the wood because lovely Alexander Pudd, one of my viewers from the very beginning, he sent me some buy me a coffee money. So I bought some wood. I just went back a few times because obviously I can't carry it because of my hands. I mentioned that in Iceland again, they tried to charge me full price on a reduced item. It's just like, ugh, never ending. Frank McHale said he puts the reduced items at the front of his shop and he points it out, tells the cashier, look, they're reduced. Shouldn't have to do that really, but you know, needs must, as they say. Lovely Jan Johnson, hey Jan, she said everything's gone up again in Lidl. She went shopping there the other day, but luckily she has a 10% off voucher, so she got some expensive stuff like washing powder, cat food and tea bags. And she said she's really likes Yorkshire tea because all the teas don't taste the same. Yeah, I like Yorkshire tea. I am a coffee fiend, but I must admit I like a brew with some toast. You know, when you got hot buttery toast, it's got to be with a bit of tea, hasn't it? And I'm the same, Yorkshire tea bags. Yeah. Who wants Tatley when you can have Yorkshire? Yeah, and then I did a couple of videos mentioning about me tie bleaching, not tie dyeing, because I cut up old jeans for fabric or pick them up from the charity shop. You can pick up jeans for £1 or so, or use your old jeans. And I did my t-shirts. I'm wearing it. Look. I made up with it, so yeah, I'm wearing that one today. Unsung Hero, a new commenter said, I liked your freeform cover, but Sabine had me in stitches because she said I look like Monster Munch. So funny, it really tickled me. So I'm going to end there with a lovely saying that Sabine and me keep saying to each other about keep frugaling. So the other day she said to me, keep calm and keep frugaling. Yeah. So I like that phrase, keep frugaling. It's probably not a real word, but it is now. So bye for now, and I hope to see you soon, and have a lovely weekend. And I can do that now because my fingers are free. Bye.